The following is an excerpt from a recent credit line banking webinar. Okay, now that we've just reviewed the mechanics and the benefits of flowing our income in and out of the line of credit, let's make a comparison to a credit line banker and a regular creditor. All right, we both have $25,000 available to us with an undisclosed interest rate. The credit line banker, that $25,000 is yours. And as we've just seen with the revolving door mechanism, we can recycle and reuse that $25,000 as often as we'd like for whatever purpose. Now, using a traditional creditor, that money is theirs. It's a one-way door, meaning the payment goes in, but it doesn't come back out. And it's single use. You borrow, you repay, end of relationship. So let's take a look at a real case scenario with a credit line banker and a traditional car purchase. Credit line banker's got a 5% interest rate. The traditionalist gets the best money can buy. So over a 5-year period, the traditionalist is going to have one car. He won't have paid any interest, but that's okay. That's good. Good for him. He has no access to the 25 grand. And at the end of the day, he gets his monthly payment back. Now the credit line banker, he paid this 25 grand off in 28 months. He borrowed another 25 grand on month 29. Bought daughter number 2 a car. He's got that paid off in another 28 months. And at the end of 5 years, he has 2 cars. He did pay some interest. However, that interest cost could be offset by savings and insurance. He does have access to the 25 grand again, and he has got unlimited choices. So when we compare the two, I want some participation here in the chat. If you prefer credit line banking results, type in CLB. If you'd prefer the traditional, type in TRAD. And how are we doing? CLB, 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 CLB. What? No traditionalists? Ha! You guys are learning quick. It's fantastic. All right, let's go take a look at a live statement. If you would like to know more, please revisit the email and access my calendar link, or visit truthinequity.com/contact to access the same calendar. Come see what you can accomplish as a credit line banker.